right, and let me mute you both for now. It's easy. Welcome to the Tones for Your Bones Fire Elements. And we are checking in on this Monday afternoon. What fire, aspects of fire, are we going to connect to? So part of the energy of fire is spontaneity. And just like fire, its smoke is spontaneous in the way it moves. It's very reactive. Fire is very reactive to what you put in it, how the wind blows. Yeah, so thus I had decided to change the sequence of Tones for Your Bones a little bit today.
What?
Yes.
You mean, but I thought, oh.
Yeah,
right.
no, it's going to be difficult, Alex. You'll just have to adjust to the changing winds.
Oh, no.
But you'll do fine, because this is round number 2 of the day. And we are going to start with a poem by Alex. Though
Well,
it's not his poem.
It's a poem by Rumi, the great Persian poet and mystic and Sufi, kind of a branch of Islam. You hear anything?
Are you asking me or are you asking them?
Don't worry about saving these songs. And if one of our instruments should break, it doesn't matter. We have come to the place where everything is music. The drumming and the flute notes rise into the atmosphere. And even if all the world's little lullaby makers should disappear, there would still be hidden instruments playing. So the candle flickers and goes out. We have a piece of flint and a spark. This singing art is like sea foam. The graceful movements come from a pearl hidden on the ocean floor. Songs reach up, spindrift, like driftwood along the edges of a beach, wanting. They derive from a slow and powerful root that we can't see. Stop the words now. Open the window in the center of your chest and let the spirits fly in and out.
There you have a little introduction to the heart space, which is the focus of the fire element. Is the connection here, the joy, the passion, the redness, but also relaxation, which I know we'll get to too. So, Alex, can we do If You Allow You first? I'm changing things slightly. Yeah.
Let me ask Senor Blanco. Senor Blanco, can we do If You Allow You first? Please, senorita.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So we're going to continue with music. Fire is a little bit more lively. And we have for you a West African song whose title is Ifilayu, means in happiness there is love. And the way I like to use this is, so we're going to focus a lot on our palms today. And so I'm going to bring in a little qigong into the enjoyment of this song. And then we'll do some drumming for you as you continue enjoying the musical piece.
On the little soprano recorder.
Okay. So if you'll join in the rhythm first. Palms connect to hearts. And I will do a little qigong with this rhythm. And here it goes, simple. tempo. We're gonna pat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna continue the music for you. Get massage going. See what part of your body wants to be patted. Is it belly? Is it the back? The thighs. So you're gonna keep that going. Get a little self-massage for yourself, all right? Extinguished by the water. All right, a little fire energy for you. So that was the combo of that connection of the palms to rhythm. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. So now let me get a little warmed up. We are going to do a little bit of opening up of our upper bodies. Okay, so get them a little loosened up a little more. So we got the hand clapping, which is a whole, really, I'm not kidding, it is a subset of Qigong to do patting and clapping. And then Alex. Oh. So a little shaking off of tension for the day. A little interaction. We'll do a virtual interaction. See if you want to do, you've been using your fingers a lot today. Yeah. Little spirals.
Oh, this is rhythm too, isn't it?
Yes, you can play rhythm, Alex. Yes. So and do one direction, other like a, what's this called? The breaststroke, I think, in swimming. Deep breath in, out. Maybe some forward movements. stretch downward, a little shake of your torso, down, down, down. And come. Loosened up? Okay, we're gonna move into the crane qigong. Okay. So I'm gonna bring in a new qigong movement that's not on the video that we're gonna start with, and then we're gonna do the three treasure qigong that's on the YouTube video. So for this, you can be standing or sitting. If you're standing, I like my feet about hip width, but slightly closer than hip width. And it's all in the arms, but the knees are gentle and flexed, like a lot of the qigong postures. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is crane opens its wings. Crane closes its swing. You turn, and the outside of your palms come together. Crane opens its wings. And close. Here's an inhale as you stretch back. Exhale. Curve forward. Really get into your deep breathing. Start feeling the gracefulness of your arms with the melody. If your arms get a little tired, you can do over here. You can get a nice chi movement. You're done with your arms down here. Come. Move to shoulder opening. Feel free to raise your arms if you like. Get a deeper stretch through the inside. And come down. Just stay a moment, letting your arms rest. Feeling that bit of a stretch, workout, warming up of the arms. Maybe tingling of the fingers. Now we're going to move into three treasure crane. The first treasure is the earth, and it's this one. Second treasure is at the heart. That's the crane's beak with your fingers together. That, you turn on the light here. And the third treasure is up to the sky, where your fingers above you will form a triangle. And if you're warmed up and your neck is comfortable when you do that, you can look up slightly towards that triangle, looking up at the sun in the sky. Okay. Mm-hmm. Here's an inhale and a small exhale. A deeper inhale, deeper exhale, and the deepest inhale. And exhale. I'm gonna keep going. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And hold. Exhale. We're gonna keep going. Graceful wings. You are the crane. Feel the lightness of the movement. With the lightness of the melody. Qigong is effortless effort. Your hands are soft, yeah. Fingers are graceful. Connecting to joy, lightness. Put a little smile as you look up to the sun. One last set. Crane's beak. We'll hold there and float down. Spontaneity. Nice inhale, exhale. Again, feel your body, feel your breath. And the universal way of connecting and prayer. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, recorder.